Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I want to appreciate you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Martha Koome ni kama anaachwa. Everyone is distancing themselves from Martha Koome's judgment. As far as the Supreme Court is so concerned, Rigathi Gachagua has come out to hit hard on Martha Koome's Supreme Court judgment. William Ruto yesterday came out very clear when it comes to the issue and the judgment of the Supreme Court on LGBTQ. We are receiving intelligent reports that at a time that the Supreme Court reached giving their judgment on the registration of the LGBTQ, we are being told there were certain individuals that were behind the organization, how this court was going to give their judgment. And in fact, we are being told it was a push from certain individuals, senior individuals, and high-ranked in the government of the Republic of Kenya. They were pushing on the Supreme Court to give their verdict favoring LGBTQ so that America could be happy with the steps that Kenyans are making accepting the registration of LGBTQ. As the judgment was released, that is why you saw William Ruto was so quiet, Rigathi was so quiet. What we are being told now is that they were busy collecting reports from intelligence. They dispatched intelligence across the Republic of Kenya. They started in churches, in different counties, and in different groups in the Republic of Kenya. And because every Kenyan came out rejecting the judgment of the Supreme Court, then I want to understand you, the judgment was not with the intention of the Martha Koome's Supreme Court. It was a push from certain senior high-ranked leaders in the Republic of Kenya that were pushing hard on the judgment of LGBTQ to be registered. You want to tell me, during the judgment, as you speak, William Ruto had captured the Supreme Court. He had captured the police. He had captured the DCI. He has captured the EACC. He has captured the DPP. Every independent institution in the Republic of Kenya has been captured. So when William Ruto, Rigathi Gachagua saw that this was so hostile, they decided that now they were going to react after they had received an intelligent report from their workers that things were so hostile. And there was certain agreement that they had that after, as long as they were going to pass and register the LGBTQ, then they were going to receive huge support. Now, I have seen Meg Whitman, the ambassador of the United States of America in the Republic of Kenya, coming out to say that the money that was given Kenya, 16 billion, to support those who were facing hunger and drought, that it was not connected with the ruling of the LGBTQ. That is what we are being told. But I want you to listen to me when you look at the game that is being played here. People wameaibika. It is shame to everyone. In fact, including the Supreme Court after certain individuals pushed them. It is a very dangerous situation and very unfortunate that now Supreme Court is being is being pushed. At a certain point, even their judgment is hooked with so disparate argument and judgment derived from the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. It is literally against and opposite the expectation of the people of the Republic of Kenya. What we are being told, that the court is exercising the right and the truth in accordance to the Constitution. It was not through their mind, in accordance to the report that we are getting. It is out of certain beneficial interest from personal level that made these people to come out saying, on this hand, let the LGBTQ lobby group to be registered, but on the other hand, the lobby group has been prohibited. Then they gave us 2 points. Register the LGBTQ lobby group. Then on this side, they said the LGBTQ that has been prohibited. Then the truth, you realize that these people are playing with the minds of Kenyans. And they were just trying to test the waters. But they saw things were not good. Now they reversed. As we speak now, the process has already kicked off in the Supreme Court. As we speak now, to reverse the judgment. Because they're saying the people or the people's voice is so loud, even more than even that Constitution. The people's voice is so loud. And they saw that things might not be good and might be so hostile. So for them, they have prepared themselves now to reverse. And through reversing, they're waiting the bill that is being crafted in the parliament, so that is going to be signed as a law. And the bill of the parliament, we are being told again, with the intelligence reports, that the bill in the parliament that Honorable Peter George Kaluma from Homa Bay Town constituency, Homa Bay County, came out drafting a bill to criminalize the LGBTQ lobby group in the Republic of Kenya. And so, this is the only bill that is going to rescue Martha Koome, or else church is not going to rescue them. In fact, church is blazing fire, saying that, look, you must reverse and you must reverse your judgment. So when you see Martha Koome's Supreme Court is so stranded because everyone is against them, including the president and including the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. So Martha Koome has nowhere to hide. Whatever they're having as an option is just to stare and hear whatever Kenyans are saying. That, look, you've been hooked and you're being controlled like a matatu. It's like a matatu court. They're just coming out ruling things on their mind, not in the Constitution. They knew that this was not in accordance to our culture. It is written in the Constitution. Then they came out interpreting the word sex in a different way. Interpretation of that word give them a mileage of giving their judgment that now LGBTQ lobby group was to be registered, because in accordance to the human rights, the way they were interpreting the law, it is like these people were hooked in what they term as, for example, their judgment. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we speak now, Martha Koome's Supreme Court is so stranded, they don't know what to do. Everyone is against them, and even the US has come out to turn against them, even not supporting them. Nikujitetea, Meg Whitman, the ambassador of US, has come out to say that the 16 billion Kenyan shillings was not connected with the LGBTQ. That ASEED, the organization called ASEED, is different from the LGBTQ. So Martha Koome is just there. Now, how do Kenyans review the intention of Martha Koome's Supreme Court? Is it fair to Kenyans? Is this court legit and competent when it comes to protecting the law and culture of the Republic of Kenya? Simply no. What I have thought. Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I want to appreciate you so much because of great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye. Till we meet on another video.